You will be the best with ilim Tutor.
Question 2. The biome that is characterized with large herbivores, few and scattered fire-resistant trees is. So in looking at this question, we can make use of two things here. We can make use of the terminologies. We have large herbivores, we have few and scattered fire-resistant trees. So this kind of question will be more or less a terminology question, but at the same time, it's a question that you can answer with what you know. You don't really have to know everything. You can basically get to the answer with the little you know. So we have large herbivores, which indicates that you should have quite a lot of grasses there. The fact that we have few and scattered fire-resistant trees implies that we have high temperature. So what we'll be looking for is that particular vegetation that has a lot of grasses and has very high temperature. Desert may look like a very good answer, but in the desert, you don't have a lot of grasses. Neither do you even have a sizable number of trees. Even though the question is saying few and scattered fire-resistant trees, you can walk for long stretches of land in the desert and you will not come across any tree. So, desert does not satisfy the requirements of the question. Then we have two forests. One thing you know very much about forests is that they have a lot of trees. And the fact that they have a lot of trees simply means that they have very thick vegetation. So we have a tropical rainforest, which would be a rainforest in the tropics, where it is warmer. Unlike the montane forest. Now, of course, we know that both of them are forests, which means that they should have a lot of trees. The major difference here would be the fact that the tropical rainforest, from the word tropic, would have a much higher temperature compared to the montane forest, because the word montane actually means mountain, and the temperature that obtains here will be much lower compared to what we have in the tropical rainforest. Having said that, the temperature in the tropical rainforest is not as high as what we have in the savanna. Otherwise, we wouldn't have a lot of trees in the first instance. So the correct answer is the savanna.